Seedance 2.5 has officially arrived, and it's already becoming one of the most talked about AI video models. The good news is that you don't need a complicated setup or multiple platforms to try it, because it's now available inside SJinn AI. In this video, I'm going to test Seedance 2.5 directly through SJinn AI to see whether it actually delivers on its promises. We'll generate videos across different styles, including cinematic shots, realistic scenes, product commercials, anime, and action sequences, while evaluating prompt accuracy, motion quality, character consistency, and overall visual realism. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what Seedance 2.5 can do, where it performs best, and whether using it through SJinn AI is worth it for your own creative workflow. With that said, let's dive into SJinn AI and start generating our first video. Before we start generating videos, let's take a quick look at what SJinn AI actually offers. Instead of giving you access to just one model, SJinn AI brings together a growing collection of leading AI models in a single workspace, making it much easier to compare results and switch between tools without juggling multiple subscriptions. Beyond AI video generation, the platform also includes powerful image generation, editing, upscaling, and other creative AI tools, making it a complete hub for content creators, designers, and marketers. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, so even if you're new to AI content creation, you can start generating professional quality results within minutes. Today, however, our focus is on one of its newest additions, Seedance 2.5. So let's select the model, explore the available settings, and see what kind of videos it can produce in real-world tests. Now, let's generate our first video. From the main dashboard, I'll head over to Models. This section gives you access to a wide range of AI models for different creative tasks, including image generation, video generation, language models, and many other powerful tools, all organized in one place. For this demonstration, I'll select the latest Seedance 2.5 model. To begin, let's keep things simple and generate a video using only a text prompt. Using a well-crafted prompt usually leads to much better results, especially for longer cinematic generations. Once the prompt is ready, I'll paste it into the prompt box, choose the video quality, leave the rest of the settings as needed, and click Generate. After a short wait, the video is ready. Let's play it and see what Seedance 2.5 has created. The first thing that immediately stands out is the cinematic quality. The camera movement feels smooth and intentional rather than random. The lighting is realistic, and the model follows the prompt surprisingly well. The scene transitions naturally, the subject remains consistent throughout the clip, and the overall motion looks fluid without obvious glitches or distracting artifacts. Even the finer details, such as reflections, depth, and environmental effects, help make the video feel much more polished. For a video generated entirely from a single text prompt, this is a very impressive first result and a great demonstration of what Seedance 2.5 is capable of. Let's generate one more example. This time, I'll use a completely different prompt to see how Seedance 2.5 performs in another style and whether it can maintain the same level of quality across different types of scenes. I'll simply paste the new prompt, keep the settings the same, and click Generate. After a few moments, the video is ready. Once again, the results are impressive. The first thing you'll notice is how well the model understands the prompt and translates it into a visually coherent scene. The camera movement feels smooth and cinematic. The subject remains consistent from beginning to end, and the overall animation looks much more natural than what we've seen from many previous AI video models. The lighting and color grading are particularly strong, giving the entire sequence a polished, film-like appearance. Environmental details, depth, and motion all work together to create a much more immersive result, while the transitions remain stable without obvious flickering or distracting artifacts. What's even more impressive is that despite using a completely different prompt, Seedance 2.5 continues to produce high-quality output with excellent prompt adherence and realistic motion. So far, it's delivering very consistent results across multiple generations, which is exactly what creators look for in a reliable AI video model. Now, let's make things even more challenging for the model. Instead of generating a video from just a text prompt, I'll provide much more creative guidance by uploading 5 reference images, 1 reference video, and 1 reference audio track. I'll also include a detailed prompt describing exactly the type of cinematic sequence I want the model to create. The goal here is to see how well Seedance 2.5 can combine multiple reference inputs while preserving the character's appearance, visual style, camera movement, atmosphere, and the overall cinematic direction. This is a much more demanding workflow and a better representation of how professional creators often work on complex AI video projects. Once everything is in place, I'll simply click Generate. After a few moments, the third video is ready. Let's take a look. This is where Seedance 2.5 really starts to stand out. Even with multiple reference images, a reference video, a reference audio track, and a detailed prompt, the model does an impressive job of keeping everything visually consistent. The character maintains the same identity throughout the sequence, the cinematic style closely matches the references, and the camera movements feel smooth and intentional. The transitions are clean, the lighting remains coherent from scene to scene, and the overall composition looks much more like a professionally directed cinematic sequence than a typical AI-generated clip. What's especially impressive is how well the model balances all of the provided inputs instead of allowing one reference to dominate the final result. The atmosphere, pacing, and visual storytelling remain cohesive, while the motion stays fluid and natural with very few noticeable artifacts. Overall, this is an excellent demonstration of what Seedance 2.5 can achieve when you give it richer creative direction, rather than relying on a text prompt alone. Before we wrap up, I also want to give a quick mention to SJinn AI itself. What I like most about the platform is that it brings a wide range of powerful AI models together in one place. So, you don't have to jump between multiple websites to test different tools. The interface is clean, easy to navigate, and makes the entire creative workflow much more convenient, whether you're generating videos, creating images, or experimenting with other AI models. Overall, my experience with both SJinn AI and Seedance 2.5 has been very positive. If you're interested in trying them out for yourself, I definitely recommend giving the platform a look. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which AI model you'd like to see me test next. I'll see you in the next one.